This is our BSL2 lab, new lab for doing RT-PCR. We will have a round in this laboratory. This is our reception area. This is the reception area to enter the, to receive the samples and also to enter the data here. And this is once the samples are received, we will keep all the samples here first. In the, if you keep the, we have to keep all the samples here in the store, in the -20 refrigerator, and then if time is there, lot of time is there to do the test, we will keep all the samples here in minus 80. This is actually, but usually it maintains at about 71 degrees centigrade, and this is the normal refrigerator to keep the samples or certain reagents at 4 degrees centigrade. So once the samples are stored here, and then whenever you would like to do the test, we will take the samples to this extraction room. This is nucleic acid extraction room, and here we will extract. The first step is we will extract the nucleic acid from the sample by using this extraction kit. And the procedure for this extraction kit, this is the procedure. Entire procedure is this. Is a big procedure, and it will take nearly 1 hour to do the extraction. And for single sample, and we have to do in numbers like 20 or 25, 30 numbers we have to do. And this is the laminar flow system. By using this is PS2 cabinet laminar flow system. And here we will do, yeah, this is the one. Yeah. This is the one where we will do all the extraction procedures. And once the extraction is over, so this is the micro centrifuge, cooling centrifuge, and this is the main instrument after that cabinet to extract the nucleic acid. Once the nucleic acid is extracted, it will be sent to the template addition room through this box to avoid the contamination. Because if there is any simple contamination also will cause for a lot of false positive results. So we have to maintain this lab just like more than a OT. So after this, what we do is, this is the template addition room, and this is master mix room. In this master mix room, if you see the kit, this master mix room, we will the respective primers will be mixed here, and to add to the sample, nucleic acid sample, to do the RT-PCR. So here the kits always we will keep in the minus. Now we have one kit also with us. What is that? This is a small kit for RT-PCR for the COVID-19, and here we have the focus here. This is the master mix. This is MMS master mix, and these are all the reagents. This looks very small kit, but its cost is around 70,000 rupees. And but the most important thing is, all the reagents which are kept at -20 degrees centigrade should not be repeated at thawing not more than 4 times. So this kit altogether comes for 90 wells, 90 tests, and positive controls, negative controls, nearly 10 will go off. And for every run we have to keep the positive and negative controls. So hardly we can use 80 tests out of this 90 test kit. But if you do it 1 or 2 tests, then it should not be, as I mentioned earlier, should not be done the repeated thawing and cooling for more than 4 times. So at a time, if we do 20 tests, then only the kit is useful for us, and the cost also will be in normal limits. Every time, if you would like to do 3 or 4 tests, it takes a lot of the wastage of kit. That's why it's better to do the 20 tests at a time, not less than 20 tests at a time. Okay, as I mentioned here, this master mix this master mix and everything will be mixed here only. Here only we have to do this master mix. We have to do the master mix by using all the pipettes and all under clearly under aseptic precautions we do. And by here we'll take the plates and the master mix, everything will be done here. And once we do the test, the plate, RT-PCR plate, what we are using is, this is actually the RT-PCR plate. So in this plate we will keep the sample and this master mix. Both will be added in the template area, template room. And once we add it, we have to seal this with this sealant. This is a very, you can see here the seal. We will seal it here and then we will load it to the machine. We will load into this RT-PCR machine. And once we load it, it will take nearly 2 hours to read, and after that it will give the results. And so this is the entire procedure of our RT-PCR lab. So what I would like to tell you for all my dear clinicians, unless we get less than 20 samples per day, it's very difficult to run the run the test, because there will be a lot of wastage, and so the kit cost also, the test cost also will be very high. So please understand about the problem and the what is that called, cost effectiveness of this particular test. So always minimum 20 tests are required, and of course we can do 1 or 2 tests also. But the problem is 80 test pack we can't use for more than 4 to 5 tests. So test cost goes around 5 to 10,000 rupees. Since we are charging only 1900 rupees, and minimum 20 tests per day is required to run the test, so that it will be useful, and there won't be any loss for the hospital resources also. This is about I would like to tell. And RT-PCR, rapid COVID-19 tests are being done every day. Its cost is around 1,000 rupees, where management and administration decided that it has to be done for the 1,000 rupees, and RT-PCR for 1900 rupees only, as mentioned by the government of Andhra Pradesh. So please utilize the services of our RT-PCR lab. In future we are going to start even HIV, hepatitis B and HCV testing also, but now we are doing RT-PCR presently, and once we start all the full-fledged OPs and wards, we can do other 4 parameters also, that is HIV, hepatitis B, HCV also will be done apart from the COVID-19 testing. Thank you very much.